In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your domain name on Squarespace. Open up your Squarespace website, then click on the settings icon right here in the bottom left, and then you will need to go into domains and email. From here, select domains, and it's going to give you the option to either get a domain or use a domain that you own, and this is going to change the name. So if you want to purchase a domain, feel free to do so. I'm going to use a domain which I own, and now I will go into Hostinger. This is going to be my domain provider, and I will just copy the domain which I want to use. Now paste the domain which you want to use, then you will click on next. It should show you when it has been registered or when it was registered. So here it's going to show you what that it can be transferred, but you can connect it. So connect the domain to your Squarespace website and continue to manage it. So here we will select the provider. So that's going to be Hostinger. Where is Hostinger? So it should be here. You can leave it as other if it's not showing, and it should say connection in progress. So we're going to click on continue. And now what you need to do is to add these records into your provider. If it's supported and it can be linked directly, then it's going to happen. If not, you will need to manually link it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.